Is pretty close to an ideal evening for football. There is barely a cloud evident. The world and his wife have gone to great lengths to be here for a match of great consequence and massive interest in these parts. Barely a breath of wind, so the football has no excuses for not being at its very best. The teams I know are pumped for this. There are fantastic scenes in the stands. There is a great sense of drama here, a great sense of excitement and expectation. Little question that this is one of the most striking structures in all of sport, the Allianz Arena. We have already started here. Who do you think this turns on, Jim?
Yeah, N'Golo Kante. He is only one midfielder, but it often feels like he does the work of two or three. He's got exceptional awareness for danger and the stamina to make sure he can go and snuff it out over and over again if required. He's also exceptional in the tackle, and when you watch him in the latter parts of a game, 90th minute plus, he looks as if he's in the first five.
Yes, they'll certainly be leaning heavily on him. Van Dijk does well there, alert. Correa. Forward it goes. Mbappe gets away from his opponent, and it's played forward. Now a chance to break. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Roberto Carlos. Mbappe. He's making a real surge on the left. Time to deliver. Hoists it forward. Played out to the right. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Correa. Kimmich. Both sides a bit too casual in possession.
Well, each team knows that they're still well below standard, and it's a question of which can find a way out.
This is promising. He's certainly caught him there. It's a free kick. Pullet considers his options, and so we have the first set piece of the game. Oh, he's pulled off a fine save.
Well, I thought his starting position was good, and that helped the keeper to judge the flight of the ball and deal with it well.
Vinicius Junior. Kante battles to win it back. And it's Gullit. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Van Dijk goes looking. Pogba. Oh, he's made sure that won't get through. That's a decent ball. Now it's Lewandowski. He's left his... and the shot! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Well, as test goalkeeper, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
Turns and goes back. He's had a shot! And that's a goal kick. That's been drilled forward. Bonucci cuts it out. And he's going long. And that has been cleared. Mbappe. And that certainly packed a punch. Verratti goes up and over.
Well, no question as to who's winning the battle in midfield at the moment. Some very impressive pressing in place here.
Alexander-Arnold. Hit long and direct. Alaba. And the first half is done. And both sides have drawn blanks. They have toiled at times, but it's not been a bad game by any means. So they head in no further forward. The score here still 0-0. And we're off again. So deadlock still as the second half begins. Pogba. Roberto Carlos. And it's De Bruyne. And here's Lewandowski. Lewandowski gets flagged offside. Needless to say, he was expecting a better ball than that. Hakimi. Could go all the way here. Hakimi with an air of confidence about him, a certain swagger.
Well, that was a mini show of self-confidence. It may spark another try or another trier.
Correa brings the ball forward. Correa just doesn't give up. You just know he'll be in there again before long.
Oh, look, his determination needed to be greater than the obstacle he was faced with, and it wasn't.
De Bruyne plays it forward.
Well, it seems obvious that the plan is to try and get their passing game going again, but not with that lack of quality.
De Bruyne. And here's Lewandowski. Alaba gets it forward. Ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. Bonucci tries to get it forward quickly. De Bruyne. He's got through. Trout hits one! Oh, that's a fine save!
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
Time for a change in personnel.
Well, you have to feel a little for the player being taken off here. I think he's been made the scapegoat after that, but I guess something had to be done. I suppose it did need a little change.
Needed a better pass there. Vinicius Junior. That's not going to make it. Get a throw in. Out again for a throw in. Mbappe. He's played him through. Hoists it forward. Vinicius Junior.
Look, this can still go either way. It might be flowing one way, but there's still time for some ebb.
It's come loose.
Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner.
Oh, that's a waste. Out to the right. Ronaldo looks to get on the end of this.
Look, this can still go either way. It might be flowing one way, but there's still time for some ebb.
It's gone for a throw-in.
Time is ticking away, and they're playing as if they're defending a lead. They've got to get it up the pitch.
It's the through ball.
Well, both sides might have to settle for a draw here, although there's still a chance for one last fling.
And the through ball is intercepted. Conte. And it's James Rodriguez. Alexander-Arnold. Still inseparable. We have penalties.
Well, the scoreline may have a disappointing look about it, Peter, but that's where it ends. I think this game has had a real lively feel, and I'm not ready to give up on it yet.
So we brace ourselves for the nerve-shredding ordeal that is penalties. Right on the edge. Feel the moment. Messi steps up to take the first one. And he puts them one up.
How confident was that? Backed himself all the way.
Memphis Depay, next in line, and here he is. No, it's been saved!
Well, that's a super save from the keeper.
This to put them 2 up. And he puts it away. And he's put them 2 in front. So, the second man in line.
I thought he did really well to hold his nerve then and score that penalty.
This to double their advantage. Keeper's read that beautifully.
Well, the keeper's done brilliantly to keep his eye on the ball and make such a great save.
Lewandowski He'll take the third penalty. Saved! Keeper's done brilliantly.
He's so focused there. Fantastic save.
This to double their advantage. Oh, he took a risk, but it's paid off. 2 to the good. So he walks up to the spot and puts the ball down. Lest you need reminding, miss this and it is over. Saved! And there's your hero! Shootout winners. It is such a compelling way to win, compelling and cruel. But they were so composed under pressure, and that was the difference.
Well, there's really nothing quite like the excitement of a penalty shootout, and they'll be absolutely delighted to have edged it their way.
And with that, it's time for me to thank Jim Beglin and to wish you a very good evening.
Ladies and gentlemen, please offer some round of applause for our volunteers today. We will set this